Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase for no-code app building, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type firebase.google.com and press enter. On the Firebase homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. You will be redirected to the Firebase console login page. If you already have a Google account, click on Sign In. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once logged in, you will see the Firebase console dashboard. From here, you can create a new project by clicking on Create a Project. Follow the prompts to set up your new Firebase project. If you are new to app building, explore the available templates. Select a template that suits your app's needs. After choosing a template, click Continue to configure your project. Once your project is set up, you'll be redirected to the project dashboard. You can now access various Firebase services to start building your no-code app. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and features. When ready, you can begin creating your app components. Remember to save your work frequently as you build. That's how you log into Firebase for no-code app building. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.